Hi guys, welcome to Example. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the simplification, how to handle the simplification problem. So if we see here, this sum consists of multiplication, addition and subtraction. It has three operations. So for what we'll give preference first? So there is a confusion. So for that, there is a rule is there, that is Bode-Mohs rule. Okay. So Bode-Mohs rule means first we'll give preference for bracket, after that order. Order means the power terms. Okay. A 3 square likewise the term has come. After bracket we need to give preference for that square term. After that division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So if come to our question. So our question has multiplication, addition and subtraction. So these three operations only involves. So based on that we need to arrange in priority. First we need to give preference for multiplication. So for that I'm going to, so where we have multiplication here and here. These two terms and these two terms. First I'm going to take the first set. So let's take minus 1 by 6 into 4 by 7. So if we see here, these two digits is come in two tables. Therefore 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. We'll get cancelled that. So it is equal to minus 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 7. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and 3 into 7 is 21. So just keep as it is. And we'll move to the second set. Second set is 3 by 7 into 1 by 6. So here minus is the another operation. We should not take that. Okay. So 3 by 7 into 7, there is no common term. So just multiple both the thing, 3 into 1 and 7 into 6. I will get 3 divided by 6 7s are 42. Okay. So just apply these two values in this question. So in the place of these two, I will get minus 2 by 21. Just write that. Minus 2 divided by 21. After that followed by plus. So I am going to write that plus here. After that followed by 1 by 2, I am going to write this 1 by 2 here. After 1 by 2, it followed by minus. So I am going to write this minus here. Instead of 3 by 7 into 1 by 6, I will get a value as 3 by 42. I am going to write this value here. So 3 divided by 42. So if the simplification has only plus and minus and whose denominator must be equal. So if not here. So in order to make the denominator equal, I am going to find the LCM for this 21, 2 and 42. So what it is, we are going to find that. 21, 2 and 42. So if we see here, 2 will be common for these two. So I am going to use that 2. So it doesn't contain any 2. So I am going to write as it is. 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 1, 2 is 2. After that, both has 21. So this LCM, the common term is 21. So I write this. So the LCM for these two is 2 into 21. So which is equal to 42. Here LCM is 42. So in order to make the denominator equal, so first here LCM is 42, right? So when we'll get 42? If it multiplied by 2, I'll get 42. 21 into 2, 42. Is it? So I'm going to multiple 2 in numerator and denominator. So this becomes minus 2 into 2 minus 4 divided by 42. So here 2 is there. When I will get 42? If I multiply by 21 on denominator and numerator, I will get 42 here. So here 21 divided by 42. So here 42 is there. There is no change in that. Just write as it is. Okay. If we see here, after multiplication, for what we will give preference? Addition. So addition operation is these two. For next we need to take these two set. So minus 4 plus 21 divided by 42 minus 3 by 42. So if I add these two, what I'll get? Minus 4 plus 21. 21. 4 we need to minus. So 1. 7. Is it? So we'll get 17. Here data simple is 21. So we'll get 17 divided by 42 minus 3 divided by 42. next we will move to the subtraction operation, which is equal to 17 minus 3 divided by 42, which is equal to 14 divided by 42. So now I'm going to simplify this value. So it has 2 common between these two. Therefore 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. So then I will get 7 by 21. If you see here, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, is it? Therefore 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So it is equal to 1 divided by 3. Therefore the answer for this question is 1 by 3. This complicated simplification gives the simple answer as 1 by 3. So please remember this in your mind, and please remember always BODMAS rule while solving simplification. Please start exercise and tries and you will get the perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.